Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present a problem commonly faced by students in English learning and an alternative method that can help to solve it. So, the topic of my presentation is using community language learning or CLL to reduce students' speaking anxiety. So, one of the major problems in English learning is speaking anxiety. Many students feel nervous, afraid, or even embarrassed when they are asked to speak English in front of their classmates or an audience. According to this article, it says that students often face several speaking difficulties. The difficulties are limited vocabulary, fragmented speech, grammar problems, and pronunciation difficulties. As a result, their speech becomes unclear and the communication is becoming less effective. So, to address this problem, I propose using the Community Language Learning Method or CLL. So, CLL is a language learning approach based on the principles of humanistic psychology. This method emphasizes emotional support, positive interpersonal relationships, and students' feeling during the learning process. Charles Archer, who developed this approach, believed that language learning is not only about mastering linguistic structures, but it's also about supporting students psychologically. So in this method, the teacher acts as a counselor and facilitator who guides students and help them feel comfortable during the learning process. The implementation of CLL itself can be done through several steps. For example, first of all, in a class, students are divided into small groups and then they will sit in a circle. The second, each group discusses a topic, for example, about flood, climate change, politics, and so on. And then the third, students are allowed to use both English and their native language during the discussion. If they cannot express an idea in English, they may use their native language and receive help from the teacher. And then the next, the teacher walks around the classroom to provide guidance and help translate expressions when necessary. And finally, one representative from each group presents the discussion results. So during the presentations, students are allowed to make mistakes and may still use mixed language if they need. So to conclude, the community language learning is an effective method to reduce students' speaking anxiety because it will help learners feel more confident and comfortable and also motivated to communicate in English. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.